We are following breaking news right now. The storms we're seeing are causing a lot of lightning.
And it has emergency crews out right now at an apartment complex.
Rochelle Spence is live there on the scene. She's in the Berea area of Greenville County with the latest. Rochelle?
Yeah, Tracy, Fred, we are at North Franklin apartment complex, and that storm on the way here, we saw a lot of lightning and thunder. It wasn't much of a surprise when we quickly heard dispatch say that they believed a lightning strike hit this home behind me. We'll give you a closer look. You can see crews are still here on the scene. They got this call less than a half hour ago. We have Berea here, Duncan Chapel firefighters as well. They say it's out now, but they do believe, they're pretty confident that this was a result of lightning. It started around the water heater. They said it took a few minutes to get it out, and thankfully no one was injured. Now, just a couple of minutes ago, I did have an opportunity to talk with the homeowner. He speaks fluent Spanish, so there were only a couple of things that we were able to gather here, a little bit of a language barrier, but he said that he felt heat. That is what woke him up, the rain, and he felt that warmth inside of his apartment complex. He got up to investigate, quickly saw that fire, and made sure to get his wife and his 4 kids out. He told us his kids are 2, 3, 6, and 8, so he ran them outside. Fire trucks got here very quickly, and as you can imagine, we have a lot of neighbors out on the porches right now as crews are here. Investigators look to see exactly what sparked this, but we're going to have more for you coming up. Still gathering some information on scene here. We are live in Berea this morning. Rochelle Spence, 7 News.